The story of American food begins long before hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza, and apple pie became national favorites. America's culinary identity was built over centuries through the traditions of immigrants who crossed the Atlantic carrying recipes, cooking methods, seeds, and food customs from Europe. When most people think about immigration, they often focus on language, culture, and labor. Yet food may be the most lasting contribution immigrants made to American life. Every wave of newcomers changed what Americans ate, how they cooked, and even how they gathered around the table. The earliest European settlers arrived in a land filled with unfamiliar ingredients. They encountered corn, squash, pumpkins, beans, wild game, and seafood unlike anything many had seen before. To survive, they adapted old recipes to new conditions. Over time, European traditions merged with local resources, creating the foundations of American cuisine. In this chapter, we explore the earliest European food influences that laid the groundwork for everything that followed. The English foundations of American cooking. English brought many of the cooking traditions that dominated colonial America. Bread was central to daily life. Families baked loaves in home ovens and consumed bread with nearly every meal. Pies were also common because they preserved ingredients and could feed large households. English settlers introduced meat pies, roasted meats, puddings, stews, ale brewing, wheat cultivation. Because wheat sometimes grew poorly in certain regions, colonists turned to corn. They learned techniques from Native Americans and began creating new dishes such as cornbread and cornmeal porridges. Pumpkins became especially important. Colonists baked them into pies and incorporated them into soups and stews. Many foods associated with Thanksgiving trace their roots to this early blending of English and Native American traditions. The Dutch contributions. Dutch played an important role in shaping food culture in early New York. They introduced numerous baked goods that remain popular today. Among their contributions were cookies, waffles, donuts, crullers, sweet pastries. The word cookie comes directly from the Dutch word koekje. Dutch settlers also emphasized dairy, farming, and cheese production. Their influence was particularly strong in New York and surrounding regions, where many Dutch food traditions survived long after English control began. The French influence in North America. French settlers established communities in Canada, the Mississippi Valley, and Louisiana. French cooking traditions emphasize technique, flavor development, and sophisticated preparation. Their influence introduced rich sauces, advanced bread baking, pastry making, soup traditions, preservation methods. French culinary practices had a lasting effect on regional cuisines, especially in Louisiana. Over time, French methods blended with local ingredients and other cultural influences, creating unique food traditions unlike anything found in Europe. The Spanish impact on early American food. Spanish explorers and settlers transformed food production throughout the Southwest. They introduced cattle ranching, rice cultivation, citrus fruits, olive growing, various spice. Beef became a major food source partly because of Spanish livestock traditions. Many cooking methods used throughout Texas, California, Arizona, and New Mexico originated with Spanish settlers. Their influence remains visible today in countless regional dishes. The challenges of colonial eating life in colonial America was not easy. Food shortages were common. Settlers often struggled to grow familiar crops. Many ingredients from Europe were difficult to obtain. As a result, colonists learned to adapt. Wild game became important. Fish and shellfish supplied protein. Corn replaced wheat in many recipes. Pumpkins and squash became essential ingredients. This period established an important theme that would repeat throughout American food history: adaptation. Immigrants constantly adjusted traditional recipes to fit their new environment. The role of food in immigrant communities. Food served purposes beyond nutrition. Meals preserved cultural identity. Recipes connected families to their homeland. Community celebrations often centered around traditional foods. Even when ingredients were unavailable, immigrants tried to recreate familiar dishes. These efforts helped preserve heritage across generations. Food became a bridge between old lives and new opportunities. Conclusion: the earliest European settlers laid the foundations of American cuisine. English, Dutch, French, and Spanish traditions shaped farming, baking, cooking, and eating habits across the colonies. Their influence created the framework upon which later immigrant groups would build. Yet the greatest immigration waves were still ahead. During the 19th century, millions of Europeans would arrive and transform American food forever. As the American colonies grew into a young nation, new waves of immigrants began arriving from Europe. Among the most influential were the Irish, whose arrival during the 19th century would leave a lasting mark on American culture and cuisine. Although many Irish immigrants arrived with very little money, they brought generations of culinary traditions that helped shape the foods Americans eat today. The Great Irish Famine, the largest wave of Irish immigration, began during the 1840s when Ireland was devastated by the Great Potato Famine. For many Irish families, potatoes were the foundation of daily life. When potato crops failed repeatedly due to disease, widespread hunger spread across the country. Faced with starvation, millions of Irish men, women, and children left their homeland in search of a better future. Many chose the United States. They settled primarily in cities such as New York, Boston, Philadelphia, and Baltimore, where jobs could be found in factories, construction projects, and docks. Irish food traditions. Before arriving in America, Irish families relied on simple but nourishing foods. Their traditional diet included potatoes, cabbage, oats, onions, soda, bread, dairy products. These ingredients were inexpensive and capable of feeding large families. Even after immigrating, many Irish households continued preparing familiar meals because they provided comfort and preserved cultural identity. The story of corned beef and cabbage. One of the most famous Irish-American dishes is corned beef and cabbage. Interestingly, this meal became popular primarily in America rather than Ireland. In American cities, Irish immigrants often lived near Jewish communities. Jewish butchers sold affordable cured beef, which many Irish families purchased as an alternative to pork. Combined with cabbage and potatoes, corned beef created a hearty and inexpensive meal that quickly became associated with Irish American culture. Today, it remains a traditional dish during St. Patrick's Day celebrations across the United States. Irish women and American home cooking. Many Irish immigrant women found employment as domestic servants in American households. Through their work, they introduced cooking techniques, recipes, and food traditions to families throughout the country. In many ways, Irish women became important cultural ambassadors, helping spread their culinary influence beyond immigrant neighborhoods. Their contributions helped shape everyday American cooking during the 19th century. The importance of community meals. Food played a central role in Irish immigrant communities. Church gatherings, weddings, holidays, and family celebrations often featured traditional dishes that reminded immigrants of home. These shared meals strengthened community bonds and helped preserve Irish heritage for future generations. Even children born in America learned family recipes and traditions through these gatherings. Conclusion: the Irish brought far more than labor and determination to America. They carried food traditions that connected families to their heritage and enriched the nation's culinary landscape. From hearty stews and soda bread to the famous corned beef and cabbage dinner, Irish immigrants left a legacy that remains visible on American tables today. As immigration continued throughout the 19th century, another group would arrive in enormous numbers and transform American food in even more dramatic ways: the Germans.